Hi everybody, all my viewers. My name is Rozendo Mendonça from Mr.Farmer channel, Goa. I want to show you today how to sow the seeds for your vegetable growing. This video is important because you have to start here if you want to have good vegetables. Number one, first make sure you get the correct seeds and quality seeds. That's more important. There are many sources. Find out where they're available. At Mr. Farmer, we have some of the best seeds of vegetables. You can visit us at Mr. Farmer, Giri Bardesh, Goa. Now friends, very important, keep in mind that you have to get the quality seeds. You can source them at quality stores, and also you can get them at mrfarmer.com. Now, why it is important to get good seeds? Number one is the germination percentage. If your seeds do not give you 90% or more seedlings out of you get, then it is not good. Quality is important. You must get true to the type. You ask for particular variety, you must get the same variety. Because, for example, chilies, there are hundreds of varieties. You want Kashmiri chilies, for example, or some particular chilies, hybrid chilies, ask for it and you must get the same. That is called true to the type. And that is possible only at good stores. Once the seeds are selected, the next process is sowing the seeds. But before starting your sowing the seeds, I would like to tell you all the equipment that are required, materials that are required for raising good seedlings. Let me begin here with the media. What is the medium that you can use? This is cocoa peat made from coconut shells. And in this container I have compost, which is both are required. And this both should be mixed and filled in those trays which I'm going to show you soon. Now, cocoa peat should be 3 parts and 1 part compost. Mix it thoroughly, moisten it slightly, don't make it wet, that's no good. It should be just moist before sowing the seeds. This is a tray with holes, you can see, with multi-holes, and we have in them the net pots. These are called net pots. And these are fixed into these holes, and these are filled with a mixture of cocoa peat and manure. This is how you fill these net pots. And we are ready now for sowing the seeds. This is how you have to sow, 1 seed in each. Now this looks very beautiful. You can see each 1 seed in each pot. Now why do we have to place seeds in all the pots? Very important. Suppose you sow 1 or 2 seeds and then use the stick to push them in, then you won't know once they are filled whether you have sown the seed there or not. That's why it's very important to sow seeds like this and then take a stick like this and just push it inside slightly. Each seed you have to push it inside. this way. Okay, I'll do it up to here for demonstration purpose. And after that, you take the same mixture and just sprinkle on top of it. And all you need to do, this is already moist, don't water with a hose pipe or watering can. Use a small sprayer. And that is enough. And all you need now to moisten it like this once a day. And first 2 days, don't keep these trays in the hot sun. Partial sunlight is sufficient. On third day, you take them out and keep them in the sun, in the greenhouse or on your terrace, wherever you want. And you see they germinate in say 4 to 5 days. And this is the first stage. You see here, germinated seedlings, these are about 7 to 8 days. And these are close to 14 to 15 days. And when do you plant it afterwards? Now, these have to be either planted in pots if you have a terrace garden, or veranda, wherever you are doing pot culture, for example. All you need to do is pull out a net pot. You can see the roots. Do not remove this seedling from this net pot. Plant it directly in the pot or in the ground. These spaces that are there, the roots will come out of it. So if you pull out, there is a 50% chance of this seedling dying. So plant it directly in the container or in the ground. Or this can be planted outside in your garden also, on some raised beds. Prepare it nicely, mix the soil with a little cocoa peat, and compost is very important. More compost you put, the better is the success. So this is how you can transfer all your seedlings which require to be raised as seedlings. Where there is a direct sowing, for example, you have a pumpkin, a muskmelon here. The seeds are big. Prepare the beds and just sow them in that mixture. They also take about 6 to 7 days to germinate. And what you have to do after that is very important. We have here with us, this is called KLMB. This is totally organic chemical which protects your seedlings and plants from micro insects, sucking insects. The tiny, you can see them only under a magnifying glass. And this, if you spray this KLMB, and also this is an insecticide, and Kel-Top is a fungicide. They are compatible. These can be mixed together and sprayed once in 15 days all vegetables. Remember, this is only a pest control, which is a must, because like us, even the plants have lots of diseases and insects attacks. So if you have these two, you will save all your vegetables. Then it is not enough to grow. Vegetables simply will not grow and give good results. You have to feed them. Feeding all the vegetable is very, very important to get the best out of it. Now to go organic, we have this chemical called Kalpusti. This contains 19, 19, 19. That means 19 nitrogen, 19 phosphorus and 19 potash. This makes a complete food for the plants. And what about the micronutrients and enzymes that are required for the vegetables? You get them from compost. This is what happens after you sow the seeds into these net pots. These seedlings are about 7 days old, and when you see this tray, these are almost 13 days old from the time we have sown the seeds, and they will be ready for planting in another 8 days time. Even after sowing the transplanting the seedlings and sowing the seeds directly, every 20 days you apply little compost besides kalpusti. That will be a great success and guaranteed vegetables for your house. So I'll just tell you again what we have done. One, to get good seeds, and all these materials that are required. One is compost, one is cocoa peat, pesticides, seed trays, and sow the seeds the way I have shown you, and follow, make your own SOP, a schedule on a notebook, so that you don't forget. Fix certain day for spraying, fix certain day for manuring, and also check besides this for bigger insects, your rodents, that you have to take care of them separately. Birds also attack the vegetables. So all this care must be taken separately for a great success. Finally, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Mr.Farmer.com, for more information.